Welcome back to Mixing Machines. Today's episode, we're going to be getting the upper cowling in and the aprons in. So where we start is where we left off last video. So last video we left off, just finished welding everything in. So now I got to take out the high spots, grind them flat, and then clean up off and set my upper in for fitment. Okay, so I got all the high spots sanded down. Now I'm going to go through and take off the rest of the paint using the wire wheel. So I have a nice, clean, flush surface in order to weld to. Alright, as you see, I got all my mounted surfaces cleaned off and ready for the upper. As you look, see that I'm using the old upper because I couldn't find a new one. And I got a lot of little rusts and holes in it that I'll be fixing with it today. So now I need to clean up the upper and then get it fitted in there and clean up all the shit out of there. Clean up all this. So she's ready to go back together. Alright. So you see here, this is my upper. It's on the bottom side of the upper. So all this right here is going to be my meeting surface with my lower. And see how nasty, rusty, and corroded it is. I got to clean all that off first. So I'm going to hit the wire wheel. I'm going to clean it off, most majority of it. Then I got to do the same on the top side, get it all cleaned off, and then I'll be ready to fit it. So I'm all done cleaning the inside of it. Now you see that I touched up the inside with some primer because I'm not going to be able to paint it or anything. Like I got holes here to fix and stuff, so touch it with primer and she's ready to get fitted now. Okay, so putting on the top cowling, well, I got to make sure is that I got my two side holes here. So I got my one side hole on this side, and then I got my other side hole on this side. I have to make sure those are lined up correctly. And I have to make sure my front lines up correctly. Have you seen the last weekend? I ran out of time and it was supposed to rain this last week, so I had to paint it. Then I get done. Alright, this weekend I patched up my little holes, so all I gotta do now is hit everything with a little grinder, knock down all the high spots, smooth everything out, and then paint it. And then after that I can get my aprons on. And then be all set. So, I'm going to get it all sanded down and get it ready to show. Alright. Got everything knocked down, everything's all flat, ready to paint. Ready to do that, I'm going to get my apron extensions on. So I'm going to do that next real quick. Okay, so got my apron extensions all in. I'm just gonna hit the high spots off and I'm gonna paint it. So none of this rusts up again and that'll be it. Well, everything's all on. Aprons are in. It's all painted up so it doesn't rust. And that'll be it. I have my floor pan, my firewall, my lower, my upper cowling all in. I'm all done with repairing all the rust damage that was done to it. So now I'm at the point where I actually start modifying and changing what I want to change and building my car. So next episode is going to be a surprise what I'm going to be doing. Until then, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, send it to a friend. And as always, if you hate it, send it to an enemy. Someone you don't like, make them suffer along with you. So thank you, and until next time.